Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 9th of February. And first of all, national news. Arogya Setu application contact tracing data deleted. IT Ministry. Parliament budget session. PM Modi wore jacket made of material recycled from plastic bottles. Education Ministry call for a CAG audit of misuse of PM Poshan funds in West Bengal. Turkey earthquake 10 Indians stuck in remote areas but safe, External Affairs Ministry said. India delivered 6 tons of emergency relief assistance to quake hit Syria. New Zealand Foreign Minister met Jaishankar, discussed ties Indo Pacific. PIB busted 1,100 cases of fake news in 3 years, Anurag Thakur in house. Paramilitary forces facing shortage of 83,000 officers, MHA informed Rajya Sabha. Trust of people, my protective shield, opposition's abused will have no impact, PM Modi in Lok Sabha. GM mustard safe for cultivation, no harmful effect on honeybees, Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar told to MPs. International news, China offered emergency aid of $4.4 million to Syria after quake. Ukraine's Zelensky visited London, secured more arms against Russia. China has more ballistic missile launchers than US, military told Congress. China reacted after Joe Biden slammed Beijing over suspected spy balloon. Ready to make unpopular decisions for a nation's sake. Lanka President. US will stand with Ukraine as long as it takes. Joe Biden. Oil still indispensable to global economy. UAE climate change and war. Sharing as much as we can. US briefed 40 nations on China spy balloon. Test for America, test for world. Biden on Putin's war against Ukraine. And now sports news. Amit Nagpur pitch, debate, Pat Cummins subtle, custom-made jibe at Team India. No doubt about that. Ramiz Raza issued huge warning for Rohit Sharma ahead of Test series. Australia could win. A South Africa star made surprising prediction ahead of Test series. Turkey Syria earthquakes, the amount received from Cristiano Ronaldo's jersey will be donated to a local NGO. Now news related to business. Nifty Sensex ended trading session with gains. Rupee gained 19 paise to close at 82.51 against US dollar. Digital Rupee pilot 50,000 users transacting through digital currency, RBI said. Indian banking system won't be impacted by case like this, RBI chief on Adani Raw. Current account deficit to moderate in second half of 2022 to 23, RBI governor. Reserve Bank of India saw retail inflation falling to 5.3% in 2023 to 24. RBI projects economic growth at 6.4% for 2023 to 24. And loan EMIs may go up as RBI announced 6 straight lending rate hike. Bank exposure to Adani Group not very significant. Resilience on banking system much stronger. Reserve Bank. News from Science and Technology. Samsung partners with IISc for advanced nanoelectronics device research. Scientists discovered small molecules that successfully target COVID spike proteins. And Israel launched sniffing robot to detect diseases, aid in security checks. And that's all in news. Thank you.